Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Watch a prayer now. So, Spice get lashing from Foota Hype and Sizzla. You see me? So far, guys, suppose this event where she got attend. So, we are going to talk about a lot of things, but this is a reminder to subscribe. Alright guys, so we have to kick it off in the right sequence here now. So Spice make a post and the headline I say Pride Toronto 2022 Lgbtq Festival. And you know say we Jamaican dancehall music especially support them type of thing then no time at all. So Foota Hype first I see react to it. Here's my guys and what him have to say. Him say, in all my 20 plus years as an established product of Jamaica and dancehall and reggae music, this is the first time I feel completely defeated, ashamed, embarrassed, weak, betrayed in my subconscious mind. I was confident that two people I would never live to see do this was Spice and Ground Godzilla, that a bounty killer. This is now a drive of serious fear. In my subconsciousness, that all hope is lost. This submission to the devil is to become the new thing for a dancehall artist, a new norm for our culture based on what I see is going on. That moral values are no longer important. The only thing that matters is money, the preservation of our music and culture and righteousness. In culture and righteous values don't count. He would proceed to say some other things which, you see me, guys, them a lose them real integrity over money for real, you see me. Certain things you can't do. But I see Sizzla set sun bonfire and all the years of my life, I know that them money do still, so you can see with them money, you see me. So he must say differently though. Yeah, we not sell out, we not hungry. Jamaica full of good food and very nice people. Our African heritage and culture is rich. You see me, him also say, yo, Jamaican artists already knew that our indigenous music bashes against homosexual and lesbianism. We Jamaican bash against anything that is corrupt and misleading to our nation and people. True, don't mix reggae and dancehall with your evil nasty ways. No to guns, no to gay, no to lesbian. No to pedophilia, no to all what's wrong and going against our culture. You see me, so Spice right now she have it on fear end cards for that little piece of food there. You see me, so that is that. Other updates you not go get, but right now Queenie go through some things in a short period of time, you know guys. So who for check on her can go check on her. As some you see it, you see me.
Nothing. But there's a no. I'm sick of my gun down, melt like butter against fucking sun. Marga like little skull dog. Them ever see dog them when them born at Jamaica when the dog them dead? Yeah. She's a balance, ladies and gentlemen. You know, as easy as we want it. Cause everybody gets up on the best, the biggest house, the prettiest car, the designer, the jewelry, the nice lifestyle. How the fuck everybody forget about what? Whoever get up and say, oh, I want problem. Problem, I want coming out. Nobody don't want problem, but problem is the balance of life. When we see problem come, I say, Lord, I want next. Problem, you don't hear me song? Problem never done. As one done, another one come. Life too short, may I live my life. Spice up my life, cause you know something nice. God make Adam, he make Eve too. I play in the garden, what did Eve do? She clean fat pussy and she want to go. She copy and paste the message to Adam. Me life. Oh, it's nice, that. Whoa. Ages and another, so you know the queen reign. Life is rough, no pain, nobody not talk to me. Life is no pain, no gain. Problem never done. As one done. Another one come. Heads until sun and light. Fire! Blaze me, I blaze it. I have 51 year what a blazing. 51 year what a living. And that's a honor. Oh, me sang them nice, you know. Don't play no games. Michael. No fucking games around here. Change in a minute. Leave Love you, Jay. Love you too, already. But I no lie. Remember when we have the silver Audi, you know? 60,000 nice fucking luxury car, you know. We don't know if we do the car. We shall not have the car I drive. We got KFC. If them I go down the road and drive the car, that's how I say. Rachel was on 16, whatever, and Nas was on 12, and the two of them with the car. Not the last of fucking ever, but the memories live hard. Everybody that say, oh, Queenie, yeah, get the pretty there. You remember any Chinook, fluffy cocks? Yeah, get the pretty there, the big G, pretty them freelance, live life, and the way it fucking Margaret cut. Material things come and material things go. No matter to me, you know. Trust me. Because I live and see people deteriorate and left, gone, dead, gone, left so much. Well, life don't mean nothing. And then we have a lover and when I talk to them over some little petty things, I vex with them. Then you get up, bluff, say yes, so them dead. You are dead too. Because you say, oh, that last moment we never get. Maybe she want to tell me something, I want closure. Life short, you know, forgive. Fuck that. If God can't forgive you, who the fuck we as mankind? We are your grandbabies. Them going to school. But stop working now. Yeah, bad. Fuck that. May I cock up my foot and live life now? Yeah. Them for take care of me now. Fuck that. All loaded rights. Them for stop teeth. Them for take care of me now. We're going up and down and do all sad. Cool. Hey, me want good mother, you know. I accomplish every blood clot thing when I for the free day. If I forget up from 6 o'clock and go for your grandbaby school run. From school run, appointment throughout the day. Appointment, lunch I for cook. By lunch I cook. You know, it's a breakfast I for ready and it goes on and on. You know if I when me no cook? Fuck that! Already that have a favorite bar with you. Fuck that! You know you love that bar the more than me ready because you always remind me about it. I don't even remember using that. I know I love say fuck her, but the fuck that I hear about. Fuck that! Bumbo clat. Yes, breakfast. Yeah, enough people don't understand the factual life for wake up. Can't have energy for talk or eat breakfast. That's the greatest thing. You see when you have appetite in a life, no worry about nothing. When I do my tummy tuck the first time, you know, I see the food and can't eat it. I have no taste. I pain and lick my pussy clot. I wonder if I ever will get back normal. That's a one point in my life I can't remember. Not even having my kids them. I not say that word for say boy. For say having a baby make me know what it is to lose appetite. Because when I have a baby, my name after me have a picnic. The tummy tuck for look sexy. Mash me down, throw me pussy clot down like corona. So in corona, like you can't eat. You see the food. No appetite. So you see if I wake up, I have appetite, that is a blessing. You see if I wake up, I have energy and crazy like me from so early, that is a blessing. All of my stress, I'm heavy from a feel like, it just refresh me. Just so God make me. What's on dog now, you see, you know? Fuck that. Put some dog now, you see, look. But it's a journey. I see Rachel dead touch a lot of people. Rachel dead shake up a lot of people. She make so much people come together whenever talk, and that's nice. I mean, I say, you know, Queenie, you're blessed. Rachel get a celebrity royal funeral. You hear that? Celebrities all over the world. All what? Over the world. You know why? Because of the goodness of me, Queenie, do. When I share with them, I ball, my cousin, me on a laugh, I drop a gurgle, say me, I idiot. Who unfollow me, but just still look on a cousin page. Then when the son and I follow me, when I look on a data, have my panel something. I'm a household. Yes, man. So all of that, you know, just, God just speak for on this fix and say, oh no, we sit down there with Queenie. You know, I forgot help, lift her up. So Rachel said she want the 6 man lift her and I coffee. I saw the nation lift me up. Boy, I go on Tamika morning.